they went into this ice cabin.
Great, follow me. Okay, this is a dead end. We have to turn back.
Nobody move. We're on dangerously
Thin ice!
To the healing powers of the Shangri-La.
A little help here? I got a crystal poking me in the chakra.
Greetings! Bring me your tortured souls that you may be infused with the positive energy of the crystal.
We could sure use some positive energy.
No, don't touch that, you nincompoop.
I'll just give it a gentle pull. There we go. Oops.
Oops. You ruined everything! Again!
Kids! We're here to save you. Try not to panic.
One sloth did all this?
Destruction is his specialty. Let's just get the kids and go.
I'll save us.
Sid, I wouldn't do that. No, if you plug it.
He's gonna blow!
Best of luck all!
Oh, great. The lava. Don't touch the lava!
It's hot. Very, very hot.
This is how it all ends.
We're almost to the ocean. Okay, looks like we all made it.
Yeah, we rescued the kids. Now who's gonna rescue us?
Hey, did somebody call for a rescue?
This isn't good.
I'm okay.
Kids, this is no time to feel loud.
Have I mentioned I hate water?
Guys, prepare for takeoff.
Did we just get rescued by a whale?
Under new management? Now that's more like it.
Tied up again. This is how my kids tell me they love me.
We have a lesson for you today, Sid. A day camp needs to provide safe activities that are fun for the kids.
And what activity does every kid love?
Oh, I know. Is it a piñata? We had fun, didn't we?